The TNT Tropang Giga continues their winning streak, making it a 6-game win streak after defeating the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. And we are joined by our winning coach, Coach Chot Reyes, and our best player of the game, Calvin Oftana. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chot, it was a dogfight match, especially on the fourth quarter. 2 of your players were in foul trouble. The team was in penalty. Your opponents almost forced an overtime. In what ways did Ginebra challenge you, and how did you overcome this to come out with a win tonight?
In a lot of ways, Ginebra has so many weapons. We just basically have to pick our poison against them. And you can see we had a 10-point lead last 4 minutes, and it wasn't safe because we had no illusions. We had no disillusions. We knew that they would come back. So for us to just do our best and defend their main weapons, Justin, Troy and Stephen hit those huge 3-pointers in the corner down the stretch. But like I said, we defend somebody, we're bound to leave somebody open, and those are just the trade-offs that we have to make. So luckily, we won in those trade-offs. That's what happened in the end game.
Thanks, Coach. Now, Calvin, nung pre-game, sinabi mo nga how you should be smarter offensively. At true enough, lumabas siya sa laro mo tonight. Sa paanong paraan ba nakatulong yung mga teammates mo to bring out the best in you, pati na rin in each of your teammates, lalo na sa mga crucial na laro tulad nito?
We're just doing our thing naman, yung sistema na ni Coach Chot. Ginagawa lang namin kung ano yung mga pre-game namin before the game. And syempre, papasalamat ako palagi sa mga kasama ko, sa mga coaches ko. Gaya na sabi ko, I just need to breathe and take clear shots. Kasi gaya na interview mo sa akin, sinabi mo kung ano yung nakuha kong lesson doon sa last game ko against NLEX. Taking 4 shots, yun yung parang naging call-up call ko sa sarili ko na I need to be patient. And yun, tumama naman ngayon, and dahil din sa mga kasama ko.